As winter approaches, European countries have been taking steps to soften the blow from an insufficient supply of Russian natural gas to the continent. And let's say this year's energy crunch may have impacts lasting for years. When gas supplies from Russia started to dwindle earlier this year, European countries set a goal of filling natural gas storage facilities to at least 80% of capacity by November the 1st. Latest data show countries have surpassed that level, topping 90% in early October and adding to that since then. But experts say that while high storage levels may help avoid rolling blackouts and rationing, as some had feared, that does not mean the biggest obstacles have been surpassed.
Countries are taking different steps to curb natural gas use, whether through policies related to energy storage, joint purchases, or price caps. According to a recent Eurostat flash estimate, inflation in the 19-member Eurozone is expected to climb to a record high of 10.7% in October, a figure driven largely by higher energy prices. Some experts say that higher energy prices have resulted in increased efficiency and public support for developing renewable energy. However, the amount of money governments have embarked so far in reducing the impacts of surging energy prices would mean there will be less money available for incentivizing cleaner energy sources. Therefore, seeing changes in the continent's energy culture will take time.